Can it take longer than 6 months to test positive for HIV? Hello, what's up guys? Today let us look at this question from our subscribers. The question goes, can it take longer than 6 months to test positive for HIV? Alright. This is a very tough question because, to be frank, every doctor will give you a different opinion depending on the experience, research made and of course speciality. But, I will only talk about standard test timings. First of all, there is no definite answer to this question, because different people have different bodies which even behave differently. The answer also depends on the window period of the test kit used, the effect of PEP or PrEP medications and so many others. So, if you have been exposed to HIV through sex and drug injections, standard guidelines recommend testing in 2 to 4 weeks, at 3 months, and then at 6 months. Data has revealed that about 95% will get accurate results at 2 to 4 weeks, 99.97% accuracy is obtained at 3 months, and finally 99.9999% can be obtained at 6 months. You have seen that, at any given test we do not have 100%. Why is that? This is because they are a certain rare group of people like the elite HIV controllers who have higher chances of testing negative on any day, and on any HIV test. For instance, using rapid tests on elite HIV controllers at any time will give a 6% chance of getting a false negative test. Note that, the proportion of elite HIV control are very small, actually less than 1% of the population. Despite that rare group of people, any HIV test at 3 months is said to be conclusive, but if you think your exposure risk is higher, do a second test at 6 months. Note, some tests like 4th generation tests can easily detect HIV in 2 to 6 weeks. In other news, do you know that soon we shall have an HIV complete cure? Yes, you heard it. HIV could be history soon. So friends, would you really want to receive complete HIV cure updates? If yes, just hit that subscribe button so that you never miss out on our next video. Until then, nice time.